Next, let's talk about smarter cars, vehicles that are rapidly evolving from simple machines into intelligent companions on the road. The next few years will see a dramatic leap in how cars interact with us and the world around them. By 2026, Level 3 and even early Level 4 autonomous systems will hit the market, bringing us closer to a future where cars can handle much of the driving for us. These advancements aren't just about convenience, they're about transforming the entire driving experience. Level 3 means your car can drive itself in certain conditions. Think hands off, eyes off on the highway. Imagine sitting back, reading a book, or catching up on emails while your car safely navigates the road. The car monitors its surroundings, makes decisions, and only asks for your attention when absolutely necessary. Mercedes, BMW, and Volvo are leading the charge, rolling out these features in their latest models. Your daily commute could soon become productive time, or simply a chance to unwind, as your car takes care of the driving. This shift will redefine what it means to travel by car. Level 4 autonomy will debut in limited city zones, where cars can handle everything in geo-fenced areas. In these zones, you won't need to touch the wheel at all. The car will manage complex city traffic, intersections, and even unexpected obstacles, all on its own. Advances in sensors, especially LiDAR and powerful AI, are making these systems safer and more reliable than ever. LiDAR creates detailed 3D maps of the environment, while AI interprets this data in real time, predicting the actions of other vehicles, cyclists, and pedestrians.